Dear students, in the last class we have studied some important terms used in the coordination compounds, especially coordination entity, central metal atom, ligands. Now we are going to continue that. Before that, try to recall the ligands. Ligands are the species present around the central metal atom in a fixed number. Based on the number of donors that species has, they are classified into unidentate, didentate, polydentate, chelating, and ambidentate ligand. Now we can move on to the coordination number. What is coordination number? The number of the ligands present around the central metal atom is called coordination number. That is, coordination number of a metal ion in a complex can be defined as the number of ligand donor atoms to which the metal directly bonded. Directly bonded. For example, in the complex ion hexachloroplatinate and tetramino-nickel, the coordination number of platinum and nickel are 6 and 4 respectively. Means in the hexachloroplatinate complex, the platinum atom is the central atom and chloride is the ligand. There are 6 ligands present around the central metal atom. Therefore, the coordination number of platinum is 6. Here, nickel is the central metal atom surrounded by 4 ligands. Therefore, the coordination number is 4. Another example you can see trioxalato ferrate complex. Here, iron is a central metal atom surrounded by 3 oxalate ligands, but oxalate ligand is didentate. That means 2 donors that oxalate has. Therefore, coordination number is, since it is didentate, 2 into 3, coordination number is 6. Coordination number of iron is 6. Whereas here, what is the meaning of ene? Ene means ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine. Here, ethylene diamine, every ethylene diamine has 2 donors. Therefore, once again, 2 into 3 is 6. Hence, the coordination number of cobalt is 6. That's why coordination number is nothing but the number of sigma bonds present around the central metal atom with the ligands. Clear word you can remember, number of sigma bonds present around the central metal atom with the ligands. It is important to note here that coordination number of the central metal or atom determined only by the sigma bonds. That's what I said. It is the number of sigma bonds present around the central metal atom with the ligand, not the pi bonds. If there are 5 bonds are formed, then those 5 bonds cannot be considered for coordination number. Next is coordination sphere. What is coordination sphere? The central atom or ion and the ligands attached to it are enclosed in a square bracket and is collectively termed as coordination sphere. Means it should contain one central metal atom. A fixed number of ligands must be written in square bracket. Must be written in square bracket. Whatever the species written outside the square bracket are called counter ions. Are called counter ions. See, in the complex potassium ferrocyanide, here potassium is the outside the complex, therefore it is counter ion, and written inside, that is FeCl6. This is called complex salt or it is called coordination sphere. This is called coordination sphere and potassium is the counter ion. Next is coordination polyhedron. In the beginning said, according to Werner's theory, one of the postulates says secondary Valence, nothing but number of species or ligands present around the central metal atom, which decides the geometry. That geometry is called polyhedron. Spatial arrangement of the ligands atom, which are directly attached to the central atom or ion, defines a coordination polyhedron about the central metal atom. Nothing but number of ligands present around the central metal atom in a regular geometry. That geometry is called as polyhedron. Most common polyhedron are octahedron, square planar, and tetrahedron. For example, here hexaminocobalt. It is octahedral. Why? There are 6 ligands present around the central metal atom. Therefore, it is octahedral. And there are 4, and it is tetrahedral. And once again, it is 4. It is a square planar. Here, nickel tetracarbonyl also has 4 ligands. Tetrachloroplatinate also has what? 4 ligands. But one is tetrahedral, other one is square pyramid. Why? That is depends on the hybridization of the central metal atom that we can study in the later theories. See some of the different polyhedral, octahedral, tetrahedral, square planar, trigonal, bipyramidal. This is the trigonal, and the one is above below bipyramidal. Square pyramidal are the sum of the geometries based on the ligands present around the central metal atom. What is the oxidation number of the central metal atom? Oxidation number of the central metal atom in a complex is defined as the charge it would carry. Charge it would carry, nothing but the charge of the central metal atom if all the ligands are removed along with the electron pairs that are shared with the central metal atom. That means after forming a complex, if we remove the entire ligands with their pair of electrons, what is the charge carried by that element or at the central metal atom is called its oxidation number. The oxidation number is represented by Roman numerical parentheses following the name of the coordination entity. Example you can see oxidation number of copper in. How to calculate? Say it is copper, tetracycline 3 minus. Oxidation state is 1. How? We want to calculate suppose copper. Let it taken as X plus cyanide charge, we know it is charge of cyanide is minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 into 4, it is minus 4, is equal to minus 3. When minus 4 comes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 becomes plus 1. Hence, the oxidation state of copper is plus 1 and it is written as Cu1. Now, the last term used in the coordination compound is homoleptic and heteroleptic complex. What is homoleptic? If the complex which contains only one kind of donor groups, which contains only one kind of donor groups are known as homoleptic. If example you can say cobalt 6 ammonia, all the 6 ammonia are same. Tetraammonia, here 4 ammonias are same. That's why they are called as what? Homoleptic. Another is heteroleptic. If a complex, a metal which is bound more than one kind of donor groups, that means there are 2 or more than 2 different ligands are present around the central metal atom, then they are called as what? Heteroleptic. You can see here tetramino dichloride cobalt. Here 4 ammonia 2 chlorine. 2 different ligands are present around the central metal atom. Therefore, this is called heteroleptic. These are the some terms which are used in the coordination compounds.